one of them. One of these has a picture on the wall. Look up in there at the cars.
Cars behind me.
One of these that had a picture hanging. Where do I see that, dear? There's their dresser, their clothes in the closet.
It was pretty bad through here.
The tree's already sprouting leaves on it. Did you see that? We're still trying to get electricity hooked up.
This was all at shopping center. Remember
Yeah,
that?
this is where I got our computer fixed. ATEI computers.
And these are more apartments over here.
See, they push these. This fence didn't use. They push these around, I think. That one's totally crooked.
It's pretty bad.
Medicine shop.
You don't even know where you are.
I thought you were gonna click her to it. Still missing cat. We are okay. Oh, which means the cat's probably